Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Drive for desktop backups so your photos stop uploading to Google Photos automatically. This is a really useful fix if you want to keep everything on the web under control, avoid duplicate backups, or simply stop a folder from syncing when you do not want it to. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, look for the Google Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. On Windows, that's usually near the bottom right corner of your screen. On a Mac, it's typically up near the top right. Click that Drive icon to open the small menu. From there, click the gear icon. That's where your Google Drive for desktop settings live. In the menu that appears, choose Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, you'll see different sections for your drive setup. Now go to the My Computer section. This is the part that controls folders on your computer that are being backed up or synced. Here, you should see the folder that contains your photos or any other folder you've added before. Select the Photos folder you want to stop backing up. After that, you have two options depending on what you want to do. You can either turn off the Backup to Google Photos option, or you can completely remove the folder from the backup list. If you only want to stop the photo uploads but keep the folder connected for other reasons, turning off Backup to Google Photos is the best choice. If you do not want that folder connected at all, removing the folder is the cleaner option. Take a moment to double-check that you are editing the correct folder before you save anything. This is important because you do not want to accidentally stop backup for the wrong location. Once you make the change, close the Preferences window. Google Drive for Desktop should now stop sending those photos to Google Photos automatically. If you want to be extra sure, wait a minute and then check that the backup activity is stopped. You can also revisit the same drive settings later if you ever want to turn it back on again. And that's it. You've now turned off Google Drive for Desktop photo backups through the web-connected desktop app, and you're back in control of what gets uploaded. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what app or website you want help with next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.